Hey guys, welcome back. So today it's going to be a quick show and tell with something that I sort of discovered inadvertently. I apologize too for this noise. I've got a few printers running right now making some stuff, so it sounds like 3D printers in here. But I can't do this in the house because it's like, I don't know, 1:40 in the morning, my typical time to make videos. If you're paying attention to the stuff that I've been up to, a few months ago I brought my RA7 droid, the full droid costume, to Star Wars Celebration. It's wearable and all kinds of fun, and I wanted it to be silver. So I painted this, but I did this really quick with just rattle can spray paint, Rust-Oleum spray paint. It actually doesn't look half bad, and this is actually with some weathering on top of it, plus some real weathering from just shipping it around. I haven't taken a lot of care to protect the finish because I kind of don't care about this finish. This was a temporary thing for Celebration. So anyway, this has just been here, kind of like silver. You can see it's not bad. Again, rattle can spray paint. That is not bad, but not my final paint job on this costume. So the other day, I was doing a sample for a client, and I was using a setup to make Alclad. And I did their piece my typical Alclad way. I think for that piece, I had started with a black base, a 2K auto clear coat, and then the Alclad. Came out really good. But when I was spraying that, it was just a small thing. So I had extra 2K clear coat in my paint gun. So I was like, what can I use this on? So I took one of the shoulders from the RA7. This is the unpainted one. This is the rattle can. Pretty much matches the helmet. Again, beat up, a little bit of weathering on it. I took one of these. I did not do a base coat on it, and I didn't do a black base coat or a gray base coat or a white base coat, any of the colors that I typically use when I'm using my Alclad. I just took the 2K auto clear coat and sprayed it right over the silver, and then I put the Alclad on top of that, and it came out really good. So this is just Alclad finish, and not even carefully done at all. I put the clear base coat over this silver. Again, didn't clean it up or anything. It looked terrible. And then I just put the Alclad on top, and it gave a pretty surprisingly good finish. So, might be worth experimenting with. This is, again, just a test. This isn't a finished part or a cleaned up part. This is just a test to see how it would look if I did the Alclad over a clear coated silver, and I think it came out pretty freaking nice. You can see reflections all over the room, pretty clear, so I'm happy with it. Anyway, just figured I'd share with you guys. Any of you that like to experiment with these things like I do, I thought this might be a fun thing to look at. Something I tried. I think it worked well. I may just go ahead and do that to the rest of the suit until I can do my proper chrome on it. But I mean, seriously, this is really close. I feel like if I did the proper chrome, I would weather it down past this anyway. So maybe I'll never do a spray chrome on this. I might just go with Alclad. I mean, with this result, I think this is, it's like 97% there to a spray chrome coat. And it's just Alclad. It's super easy to do, easy to touch up. It's kind of awesome. So anyway, hopefully that's useful to some of you guys. Let me know if you got questions about this. I'll be doing a whole bunch of Alclad painting this coming up week. And I will take videos of some if I can. It's kind of like my previous videos if you've seen them. But anyway, I'll leave it there so it doesn't get too long. Have a good night. I'll see you kids soon. Bye!